My name is Jessica Banks, and this is my final website for Adams County, Iowa. The assignment was to redesign this website, design all screens for a desktop browser and 2 screens for mobile. I'm going to go through my desktop website with you. This is my home page with a simple logo that I designed for Adams County. I did a top screen navigation with a simple search bar. Below I did events that are coming up in the county, as well as a scrolling banner that will display whatever the county needs at that time. My footer are quick links and a copyright sign along with social media icons. If you go to the I want to navigation link, this is where my 3 websites are located. Learn to Drive is the location for the DMV office, their hours, and how to schedule your driver's test. The voting precinct, you have some options, but this shows you how to locate your precinct by your address. Here is the photo history of Adams County. It has buttons that show you scrolling through the photos from older photos to present day. And that's my final website. So let me know what you think. Thank you.